Hey guys, today's video is gonna be a little bit shaky, but sorry, I do apologize for that. It's just an unboxing. I just got this in the mail, so it's supposed to look like that. So this is it, and got here really fast actually. Wasn't expecting this that fast. Height-wise, let me just get my camera down. Let's open this up. It's chrome. Looks fairly stable. Just open that up. And there we go. Okay, so sorry about the shakiness, guys. Just don't have my tripod with me right now. So that's how it looks like. Height-wise, how am I gonna compare this? Okay, so height. So here's my dishwasher. If I zoom out, you guys can compare the height. So that's the height. So most of you have your dishwashers like that height. If you don't have a dishwasher, let's say you have a stove. There we can compare with the stove. Obviously this is for your washroom, right? So let's take it to the washroom and see how it looks there. On a first glance, it seems like I have to move this to screw it in properly. Yeah, you just move it to screw it in properly. So let's go into one of the washrooms. Oops. And then let's put this down. Alright. So in the washroom it will look like that. So let's just put a roller on it. It is a bit flimsy right now. For sure I have to do something about that. That's how big it is. My washroom, I think standard size. I mean, this is my vanity. That's the washroom. I think I have to screw this in order to get this to be better. Because it can't be that flimsy, right? So there we go. Yeah, you just have to screw it in, and then it comes like you want it. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing. Can't really do a review right now since I have to see how long this will last and if it's good or not. From what I can see right away, I mean, if I take toilet paper, it does shake a little bit, as you can see. It's kind of wobbly, but it's good enough. I don't see this falling over that easily. But I guess if I tap it like that, it does move. Has an okay balance there. Anyways, that's it. Any questions, comments, you can write it down here below in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.